A very warm good morning to all. Today we are going to refresh our basics on the pediatric anti-ulcerant brand, that is Rantop syrup. Rantop syrup composition: it contains ranitidine oral solution 75 mg per 5 ml. Ranitidine belongs to the class of H2 blockers, which are also called as histamine 2 receptor antagonist. Ranitidine works by decreasing stomach acid production. The mode of action of ranitidine is it blocks H2 receptors. We all are aware that histamine is a naturally occurring chemical that stimulates cells in the stomach, that is parietal cells, to produce acid. Ranitidine, which is a histamine 2 receptor antagonist, it works by blocking this histamine and thus decreasing the amount of acid released by cells of the stomach. We are very well aware that we need acid for various functions in our body, but when there is excessive stomach acid, that can cause damage to esophagus, stomach, duodenum, and can lead to inflammation and ulceration. Therefore, it is important that by reducing stomach acid, we can prevent GERD, that is GERD, and can heal acid-induced inflammation and ulcers. The target indications for Rantop syrup are GER, that is gastroesophageal reflux, GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disorder, and erosive esophagitis. Now let's understand one by one the definitions of all the three indications. GER is gastroesophageal reflux, which is also called as acid reflux, acid indigestion, or heartburn. It occurs when acid from our stomach backs up into our esophagus. GERD is defined as gastroesophageal reflux disease. It is a digestive disorder that occurs when acidic stomach juices, food, or fluids back up from the stomach into the esophagus. As we are aware that GERD affects people of all ages, that is from infants to older adults. Coming to the last indication, that is erosive esophagitis. Erosive esophagitis, it refers to any erosion, ulceration means sore, or irritation or inflammation of the walls of esophagus. Now what is esophagus? We all are aware that esophagus, it is the tube that leads from back of the mouth to our stomach. Now, Rantop syrup, the target audience we are aware are children. That is, from 1 month age group onwards, ranitidine syrup can be prescribed in such patient population. Ranitidine syrup is a US FDA approved molecule and it is recommended by Nelson Textbook of Pediatrics. Rantop syrup, that is ranitidine, offers advantages like it offers faster relief, that is within 30 minutes, longer relief from acid reflux, that is more than 12 hours, and safety is established from 1 month age group onwards. As we all are aware that there are various treatment options available in the management of GERD in children patient population. and the common ones are PPIs, that is lansoprazole. Ranitidine syrup scores over PPI lansoprazole. It offers faster relief within 30 minutes, unlike PPI, which is more than 60 minutes. With ranitidine syrup, safety is established from 1 month age group onwards, but with PPIs, the recommended population in which it can be prescribed is more than 1 year onwards. Ranitidine syrup can be given with or without food, and we are aware that PPIs are preferably taken on empty stomach. Rantop syrup is available in delicious mango flavor, and we have added a value addition by adding calibrated dropper for dosage convenience in tender ones. The dosage of Rantop syrup we have divided into two categories. One is more than children above 6 months of age, and in children less than 6 months of age. So in children above 6 months of age, the dosage is 5 to 10 milligram per kg per day, usually given in 2 divided doses for 8 weeks. And in children less than 6 months of age, the dosage is 1 milligram per kg per dose, given 2 or 3 times per day. So here ends the basics of our brand Rantop syrup. My best wishes to all of you, and do remember to stay safe, stay indoor. Thank you so much.